Hello guys, this is Binsoy from Tambay Academy, and in this video ay ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gawin ang sales page natin or sales funnel sa TAIC. Okay, so yung sales funnel natin is only available to the paid members or sa mga nag-level up na Tambay Academy partners natin. Okay, so ito yung muka ng TAIC sales funnel. So, yan. So, scroll down ko lang. Ito yung video na ipapakita nyo sa kanila. At saka nilagyan na rin natin ng mga testimonials from the people who have seen success sa TAIC. Okay, so, ayan. So, basically, ang papalitan lang natin ay yung picture, yung pangalan, tsaka yung mga links ng page na to. Alright? So, ito na yung pinaka-sales page natin sa TAIC. And, gusto ko pala magpasalamat sa isa nating partner na gumawa nito, si PJ Adeba, who is in Greece, if I'm not mistaken. Bro, maraming salamat for sharing this sales page to us. Okay? And, if you want to capture pala yung information or the contact information of your prospects, meron din tayong squeeze page. Okay, you can edit this squeeze page sa WordPress back office ninyo. Alright, so ito siya. But you need to have your own autoresponder. Okay, so we have been stressing na if you are really serious in building your online business, you need to have your own autoresponder. Kasi ito yung pinaka-sikreto ninyo or parang bread and butter ninyo sa internet marketing. Okay? So, paano ba siya gawin? Two ways. Pwede kayong gumawa ng panibagong post sa back office. Lalagay nyo lang dyan, level up yung title. Level-up. Okay? Ito yung squeeze page. At saka yung sales page, ito naman, TAIC-explain. So, that's the long way. Okay? So, number 2, pwede nyong i-clone ulit. But, pag clone nyo siya ulit, you will have to start all over. So, pati yung sa SWA Ultimate ninyo na sales page, mabubura din yon. So, you need to redo everything from scratch. Okay? So, anyway, dun sa groups natin, nilagay ko na yung bagong clone link. At saka, pag na-clone nyo na, ito yung bagong username and password. Okay? You can change it later on if you want. Okay, so ito yung sa official members group natin. Ito naman yung sa TAIC. So, pinalitan ko na yung mga backup links natin dyan. So, you can clone it again if you want to. Okay, so paano ba siya gawin? Okay, so let's say for example, may subdomain ka na, may WordPress na. So, you need to just go into your WordPress dashboard. In my case, it's binsoy.tambayacademy.com/wp-admin. So, lagay mo lang dyan yung username and password. Tapos, login. Okay, madali lang. If you have gone through the same steps with the previous sales funnel, madali lang siyang gawin ulit. But if it's your first time, I suggest that you watch the other video, yung how to create your 3M. Okay? So, eto, once you're in your dashboard, what you need to do next is go to posts. Naglo-load pa siya. Alright. So, pasensya na kayo sa background natin. Okay. So, ito yung mga post natin. I mean, yung mga sales funnel. Okay? So, if you haven't done this yet, so you better do it by going into highlight nyo lang yan, tapos click nyo yung view para ma-edit nyo. So, in this video, I'm going to change the values or the links on the TAIC page. Okay, so I'll just do this first. So, highlight nyo lang yon, TAIC explain, tapos click nyo yung view. Alright. So, while waiting, let's sing. A day I'll have to do. Okay, ito na. So, medyo mabagal po yung internet ko. Pasensya na po. Extension. Okay, ito na po siya. Alright, so what you're going to do is just drag your mouse over to anywhere on this page. Pag nakita nyo na yung edit page na button, okay, just click on it. Much more than this. I love this song. For some reason. Oh, yan na. Make sure may lumabas na toolbar. Okay, so pwede nyo siyang i-edit na. Alright, so scroll down lang. Like a Jew. Okay, to change the picture, all you need to do is just delete this. Yan. Click nyo yung delete. Tapos, i-drag nyo yung image dito. Alright, make sure na may picture na kayo sa mga computer ninyo na nakasave. So, upload nyo lang. Choose file. Yan, Binsoy Knows. Okay, so open. Tapos, hit upload. Okay, so pwede nyo na siyang i-save. Yan. Alright, so same thing dito. Okay, so ito naman, double click nyo lang yan para ma-click nyo rin tong delete. Alright, delete, palitan nyo. Drag over the title. Yan. So, palitan nyo na lang ng pangalan nyo. Yan. Okay, so pwede nyo palitan yung font into, yun, ito yung preferred font ko. Okay, so save nyo. Arms reaching, smiling sweetly. It's good. Okay, yan na yan. Alright, so palitan nyo na lang din yung caption sa ibaba. So, pwede nyo nang i-edit. Yan, palitan nyo na. Lagyan mo ng kung ano ka. Okay, make sure na according to your personality yung ilalagay nyo dyan. So, kung OFW ka, pwede mo ilagay OFW, Success Coach, Action Star, pwede mo ilagay TAIC, Founding Member. Okay? So, save mo lang yan. Tapos, itong sa baba, edit mo. Ay, mali. Oops. Yan. So, pwede mo i-drag lang. Tapos, edit mo na naman to. Double click. Edit. Yan. Kung meron kang sariling website, pwede mong palitan ng website mo. Okay? Alright. So, make sure naka-align siya. Okay. Tapos, scroll down. Tapos, yung link, dito naman, make sure it's your link to your Facebook account. Okay, so edit mo lang yan. Dito ka, click mo yung optional. Tapos, lagay mo dito yung link ng Facebook page mo. Or yung personal Facebook account mo. Okay, tapos save mo. Okay, so check natin. Everything is good. Tapos, click mo na lang yung save. And then, everything is okay na. Alright? So, close ko lang to para hindi siya masasave. Alright? So, that easy. Okay? Doon naman sa squeeze page, ang papalitan mo na lang man doon is yung autoresponder code. So, kung meron ka ng sarili mong autoresponder, so, you can just change it right away. Okay? So, click mo ulit yung edit page. Ayan. Bam, 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 bam. Alright, so just wait for the toolbar to come up. Okay, so yan. Kung walang toolbar na lalabas, all you need to do is just close nyo lang yung page. Tapos, reload nyo na lang din. Ito, close nyo to. Tapos, click nyo ulit yung edit page. Alright, so ang papalitan lang, ito. Hit edit. Tapos, change it with your code na, your HTML code from your autoresponder. Okay, tapos hit nyo na lang yung save. Okay, so that easy. Alright, madali lang. And, guys, I'm telling you, yung sales page natin sobrang high converting. Alright, so after this, It's up to you if you want to promote this or not. But I'm telling you guys, we have one of the most high converting sales pages sa internet marketing. Okay? So, credits also to Coach Mau Magallanes for creating this awesome video. Alright, nang dahil sa video na to, ang daming nag-convert sa TAIC. Alright, so I hope na explain ko ng maayos. And if you have any questions, you can ask us, you can leave a message dun sa page natin. If we are not around, you can ask Jensena. She's available to answer to your queries. Kung hindi niya alam yung sagot, she will just message me. Alright? So, okay. So, thank you very much for watching this video. And see you on